Nottingham is the city of rebels, but there's so much more to us than our most famous son. Rebellion is in our DNA, which we helped to discover. We are a city of literary greats and sporting legends. We're a city of lovers and of computer whiz kids, sometimes even in the same family. Discover some of our secret history, such as a tragic canal explosion in 1818 that caused so much damage in the city and killed over 10 people. It's not just a walking tour above the city. We'll visit the City of Caves, a city beneath the city of Nottingham. We'll see where people lived in squalor and poverty, where people plotted crimes and centuries later hid in refuge in times of war. Discover just how bad life was if you were a medieval tanner. Our walking tour will show you what Nottingham is like today and how it used to be. Today this might be the National Justice Museum, but in times gone by it used to be where public executions were held. We'll explore the beautiful lace market and find out about the reformers and the Luddites who fought for their lives.
No peel, no corn laws! More pensions, less government!
Learn about the drastic and highly illegal actions these men were forced to undertake in a desperate attempt to save their livelihoods and their lives. We'll visit the Old Market Square, the second greatest square in Britain. Once the home to the legendary Goose Fair, it's now home to Winter Wonderlands and the Summer Beach and other festivities.
Fresh apples, get your fresh apples here.
How much for a basket of those fine apples, good sir?
Modern day Nottingham is a vibrant city. We'll see its holy spots and its secret ones. We'll visit the spot where history was made with the start of the English Civil War and its repercussions that went round the world and still affect us all to this day. Of course, we'll follow in the footsteps of Robin Hood and visit several of the most famous locations, including where he got captured by the sheriff's men in the beautiful St. Mary's Church.
You'll not escape this time.
And where he was broken out of prison by Little John. And of course the legendary Nottingham Castle.
Robin Hood! Seize him! Yes, my lord!
We'll finish off by having a drink in possibly the oldest pub in England, where crusaders used to stop on their long journey to the Holy Land. It's all built into the rock under Nottingham Castle.
A toast to our victory and safe return.
May our cups never be empty.
Nottingham is just an easy ride away from London on the train, and we look forward to meeting you really soon.